In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use the Smart Notebook transparent background feature. This is a feature you can use if you wanted to toggle back and forth between your Smartboard lesson and something that you have on your desktop. It might be a Word document that you want to reference to, a website you want to reference to, or whatever else might be on your desktop. Now, instead of toggling back and forth between what's on your desktop and your Smart Notebook file, you can use the transparent background feature, which allows you to see straight through your SmartBook file while it's still open to whatever is on your desktop. Now when we go up to our menu, we see that there is a little picture of a screen with a magnifying glass. It's View Screens. You can view your SmartBook screen several different ways. Full screen, transparent background, dual page, and that's when you have more than one page to your lesson. You can show 2 pages at once. You can have your pages appear smaller or larger. The entire page, that's if some of it is below the viewing screen, and page width. We're going to select transparent background. And when I do that, you notice that Google Earth appears. That's what was on my desktop. And I might pose a question to my students, where in the world do we live? I can still manipulate my Smartboard lesson with the tools that are down here. I can manipulate the words. I can still move them, change the size, change the shape, change the position. I can also use my little cloner here, a little star, and place it on the earth where we think we might live. And I can also manipulate whatever is on my desktop. I can shift the earth so it's a little more centered on the United States. I can zoom in onto the earth. It might be fun for the kids to position the star where they think and then keep zooming in, but you get the idea of how to use the transparent background feature. Down here are different tools if you wanted to measure. Here's your measuring tool. You can measure the distance. You can screen capture. Once they've located their city on the map, you might want to take a picture of it and save it and add it to your SmartBook file. You can use your pen and write on here. There are other options too. You can use the screen shade. So whatever you could do on your SmartBook notebook lesson, you can also do using a transparent background onto whatever is on your desktop. In this tutorial, I hope you learned how to use a transparent background. And if you wanted to go back, you can exit by just clicking the transparent background icon, and it will bring you right back to your Smart Notebook lesson page.